Hi, my friends. Welcome back to Sona's English podcast. This is Sona, and today we're doing a short shadowing practice you can use anytime, during a break, while walking, or even right before bed. Shadowing means speaking with me at the same time. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Just follow my voice. Let's begin. Can I talk to you for a second? Can I talk to you for a second? Do you have a free moment? Do you have a free moment? I want to say something. I want to say something. I have a quick question. I have a quick question. I'd like to share a small idea. I'd like to share a small idea. It feels good to meet new people. It feels good to meet new people. I enjoy having conversations. I enjoy having conversations. I like discovering people's stories. I like discovering people's stories. Everyone carries something meaningful inside them. Everyone carries something meaningful inside them. I feel good right now. I feel good right now. I feel calm and balanced. I feel calm and balanced. I feel hopeful today. I feel hopeful today. I feel ready for whatever comes next. I feel ready for whatever comes next. Sometimes I get tired. Sometimes I get tired. Sometimes I feel pressure. Sometimes I feel pressure. Sometimes I get worried. Sometimes I get worried. And that's completely normal. And that's completely normal. Every person experiences these emotions. Every person experiences these emotions. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel stressed, I breathe slowly. When I feel stressed, I breathe slowly. When I feel worried, I take things step by step. When I feel worried, I take things step by step. When I feel sad, I reach out to someone I trust. When I feel sad, I reach out to someone I trust. Talking helps me understand what's going on inside. Talking helps me understand what's going on inside. I try to be gentle with myself. I try to be gentle with myself. I try to stay patient. I try to stay patient. I slow my thoughts down. I slow my thoughts down. I focus on what I can actually control. I focus on what I can actually control. Small steps add up. Small steps add up. Could you give me a hand with this? Could you give me a hand with this? I need a bit of help. I need a bit of help. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure what to do. Can you explain it in another way? Can you explain it in another way? Can you show me how it works? Can you show me how it works? I didn't catch that part. I didn't catch that part. Could you speak a little more slowly? Could you speak a little more slowly? Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate your time. That was very thoughtful of you. That was very thoughtful of you. Thanks for being patient with me. Thanks for being patient with me. I'm learning English every day. I'm learning English every day. I try to practice a little each morning. I try to practice a little each morning. I learn gradually, step by step. I learn gradually, step by step. Learning a language is a journey. Learning a language is a journey. It needs patience. It needs patience. It needs regular practice. It needs regular practice. It needs consistency. It needs consistency. And I can do this. And I can do this. My friends, thank you for practicing with me today. You did a wonderful job. Shadowing is simple, but incredibly effective. Come back tomorrow. Speak again. Grow again. I'm Sona, and this is Sona's English podcast. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep moving forward. Bye for now.